today's video, you are going to see how to fix this site can't be reached error. Like if you go to your browser, you'll find that this type of page that will say that this site can't be reached. So to solve that, you have to make sure you have proper internet connection. If you turn on the Wi-Fi or mobile data and load the page again, then I can see the page is getting loaded. And this is how you can solve it. There is also another way. You have to restart your phone by tapping the start icon just right beside the gear icon. Once you tap on it, there is several options. From there, tap on restart and your phone will be restarted. And try turning on your Wi-Fi. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected, and then try to reload the website again. So yeah, this is how you can fix the site can't be reached error or the site can't be reached problem. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.